Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best SCHOLL'S sauce is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful condiments available, transforming ordinary meals into culinary masterpieces with its unique blend of spices and savory notes, making it an indispensable addition to any kitchen pantry for those seeking to elevate their everyday cooking and impress their taste buds with an explosion of deliciousness. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This powerful cleaner effectively tackles dirt and grime. It's safe for use on a variety of materials, ensuring a thorough clean without damage. From canvas sneakers to leather boots and delicate suede, this kit has you covered. It's your all-in-one solution for maintaining pristine footwear. The kit comes complete with a bottle of our effective cleaning solution and a specialized brush. These tools work together to provide a deep and effortless clean. Worried about keeping your white sneakers looking fresh? This cleaner is specifically formulated to restore brightness and remove stubborn marks, making them look new again. Achieve a brilliant shine and protect your investment with ease. Regular use will help preserve the quality and appearance of your cherished shoes. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. If you're looking for a convenient and complete package to tackle various shoe materials, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy to use, lifts dirt quickly, and makes my shoes look almost brand new again. If you want something simple, effective, and reliable, this is definitely the one to get. This stuff is easy to use. I mixed a couple capfuls with 16 ounces of warm water in a bowl, gave it a good mix in the bowl, dripped the brush that it came with, and started carefully scrubbing the solution onto the boots. It's not perfect in some of the harder to reach spots, but then again, I didn't take the laces out or really go full force on it. And I'm so glad to report my boots will be looking so bright and clean again. Effective cleaning. The Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. User-friendly brush. The included brush is a standout feature. It's well designed with soft bristles that are effective at scrubbing without damaging the fabric. Number 4. Angelus Sole Bright 3.9 ounces. Tired of dull, yellowed soles? This cleaner effectively removes oxidation from rubber, bringing back that original icy or clear look. It's perfect for restoring your favorite sneakers. Its versatile formula isn't just for shoe soles. It's designed to restore almost any yellowed or oxidized rubber material. Get your gear looking new again. Achieve professional-grade restoration with a simple brush-on application. You don't need expensive services to get amazing results. It's easy to use at home. Join collectors, sneakerheads, and restorers who rely on this solution. Keep your kicks looking fresh and clean with a trusted product. Made in the USA with premium ingredients, this formula ensures effective sole restoration. It's designed for long-lasting results without damaging your shoes. What we like? Tired of those unsightly yellow soles ruining your favorite sneakers? This product is specifically designed to combat oxidation and bring back that crisp, original look. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or collector aiming to restore your kicks to their former glory, this is your secret weapon. What people say. This is a great sauce for chicken and fish. The flavor is amazing and it is very versatile. Number 3. SandShark Premium Boat Hull Cleaner. Tired of stubborn dirt and scuff marks ruining your boat's appearance? Our premium cleaner quickly lifts away grime, mud, grease, and salt from hulls and docks. It's perfect for all types of boats, leaving them looking pristine. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This cleaning sponge erases marks using just water. It's the perfect addition to your boat cleaning supplies, effortlessly removing scuffs, dirt, and stains without any corrosive materials. Our extra thick sponge features a reinforced core for durability. It's designed to tackle marks on various surfaces, including boat seats, marine vinyl, and even around your shower, sinks, and toilets. You can trust this cleaner to be safe for your boat. It contains no harmful chemicals, bleach, or corrosive materials, making it perfect for use on multiple surfaces without worry. When it comes to boat accessories, trust SandShark. As an American company, we are committed to providing the highest quality boating accessories and cool gifts for boat owners. What we like. Looking for an eco-friendly way to keep your boat looking pristine? This cleaner erases dirt and scuff marks without any harsh chemicals. If you own a boat and want a safe, effective way to maintain its hull and other surfaces, this is an essential addition to your cleaning arsenal. What people say. These amazing sponges tackled the worst green algae and more in minutes. I was able to remove mold and mildew stains from my pontoon boat seats quite quickly with a reasonable amount of effort. It's like a Mr. Magic eraser but for jet skis. Easy and fast to use, save me a lot of time cleaning them up. Number 2. Dr. SCHOLL'S Heavy Duty Support Orthotics. Are you a big and tall individual needing extra support? These orthotics are designed specifically for you, providing robust cushioning and stability. Built to handle significant weight, these inserts offer superior shock absorption for those over 200 pounds. Say goodbye to discomfort with every step. Designed with wide feet in mind, these orthotics ensure a comfortable and secure fit. They help distribute pressure evenly, reducing strain. Experience lasting comfort throughout your workday. They fit perfectly into your work boots and shoes, providing essential arch support. Easily trim them to fit your exact shoe size, from men's 8 to 14. Enjoy a personalized fit that enhances performance and comfort. These inserts feature advanced shock-absorbing technology to protect your feet and joints. They are built to withstand the demands of heavy-duty use. What we like. If you're on your feet all day and need serious comfort and support, look no further. These orthotics are designed for those who need extra cushioning and pressure distribution. If you have wide feet, are on the heavier side, or work in demanding conditions, these will provide the heavy-duty support you require. What people say. The product is a game-changer for foot odor. It effectively eliminates even the toughest smells, leaving feet fresh. The application is simple and mess-free, making it convenient to use daily. Number 1. Salon Care 40 Volume Creme Developer. Introducing Salon Care 40 Volume Creme Developer. Achieve a strong lift with our powerful formula. Its creamy consistency makes it incredibly easy to handle during application. This ensures a smooth and even process every time. Looking for extra power? This developer can be used as a bleach booster. It enhances the lightening capabilities of your existing bleach products. Experience professional-grade results with this 40-volume developer. It's designed for those who need maximum lift and control. Get more value with the convenient 16-ounce size. This ensures you have enough product for multiple uses or larger applications. What we like. For those looking to achieve significant lightning results, this high-volume developer is the key. Its easy-to-handle cream formula makes application precise and effective. If you're aiming for a strong lift or need a reliable booster for your bleaching process, this product delivers professional-level power. What people say. The creamy texture stayed in place well, so I could coat the entire skull without it running off. The lift action was strong enough that I achieved a bright, clean white finish, exactly what I wanted for the mount. This product works on deer skulls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.